Think your bones are a problem for your 60s or 80s? The silent erosion of your skeletal fortress could be happening right now, in your 30s or even 20s, dictated by daily habits you don't even question. The strength you take for granted is not guaranteed. Welcome to Levitas. Before we rebuild our foundation, what's one food or habit you currently have that you believe is making your bones stronger? Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. And if you're ready to build a truly unbreakable body, hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more people who need this information. Silent habit number 1. Let's start with movement, the non-negotiable pillar of bone vitality. Daily exercise is not just about muscles. It's a direct command to your skeletal system to fortify itself. Specifically, weight-bearing and resistance activities are what your bones crave for ultimate strength. When you run, jump, or lift weights, you apply mechanical stress, which signals your bone-building cells, called osteoblasts, to get to work depositing new tissue. This principle, known as Wolff's Law, states that bones adapt to the loads under which they are placed. A 2022 meta-analysis in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research reaffirmed that high-impact exercise significantly increases bone mineral density in young adults, setting them up for a stronger future. Silent habit number 2. You can't build a brick house without bricks, and for your skeleton, those bricks are made of calcium. This essential mineral is the primary structural component of your bones and teeth, with about 99% of your body's calcium stored right there. A consistent intake of calcium-rich foods is fundamental for maintaining bone density and preventing the body from drawing calcium from your bones when it's needed elsewhere. Excellent sources include dairy products like yogurt and kefir, leafy greens such as kale and collard greens, and plant milks. A large-scale 2020 review in Nutrients confirmed that adequate dietary calcium intake throughout life is directly linked to a lower risk of osteoporosis. Silent habit number 3. Now, having the bricks is one thing, but you need a construction crew to put them in place. That's where vitamin D and vitamin K2 come in. Think of vitamin D as the foreman that allows calcium to be absorbed from your gut into your bloodstream. Without it, most of the calcium you eat passes right through you. You can get vitamin D from sun exposure, fatty fish like salmon, and supplements. But the story doesn't end there, because now you need vitamin K2, the master architect. This vital nutrient activates proteins that direct the absorbed calcium precisely where it needs to go, into your bones and teeth. Critically, it also prevents that calcium from being deposited in soft tissues like your arteries and kidneys, where it can cause dangerous calcification. A landmark 2017 study in the Journal of Osteoporosis highlighted this powerful synergy, showing that supplementing with both vitamin D and K2 was significantly more effective at improving bone mineral density than either vitamin alone. You can find vitamin K2 in fermented foods like natto, certain cheeses, and grass-fed butter, making this duo an unstoppable force for your skeletal health. Silent habit number 4. There's a persistent myth that high-protein diets are bad for bones, but modern science tells a completely different story. In fact, about 50% of your bone's volume is actually made of protein, primarily in the form of a collagen matrix that provides a flexible framework for minerals to adhere to. Adequate protein intake is absolutely essential for preserving bone mass as you age and for healing fractures. When your diet lacks sufficient protein, your body can't effectively build or repair this critical bone matrix, leading to weakness and increased fracture risk. A comprehensive 2017 meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher protein intake was associated with higher bone mineral density and a reduced risk of hip fractures, especially when combined with adequate calcium. So ensure you're consuming high-quality protein from sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes to keep your bone framework robust and resilient. This nutrient is truly a cornerstone of skeletal structure. Silent habit number 5. While general protein is crucial, honing in on a specific type, collagen, can provide targeted support for your skeletal system. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, acting as the rebar in your bones, the flexible, fibrous mesh that gives them toughness and the ability to withstand stress without shattering. As we age, our natural collagen production declines, which can contribute to brittle bones. Supplementing with collagen peptides, which are easily absorbed short-chain amino acids, can directly provide the building blocks your body needs to stimulate new collagen synthesis within the bone matrix. A groundbreaking 2018 study published in the journal Nutrients gave postmenopausal women with reduced bone mineral density a daily collagen peptide supplement for 12 months. The results were astounding, showing a significant increase in their bone mineral density compared to the placebo group. This suggests that targeted collagen supplementation can be a powerful tool to directly combat age-related bone loss and improve the very quality of your bone tissue. Silent habit number 6. Often overshadowed by calcium, magnesium is the unsung hero of bone health, playing multiple critical roles in your skeletal system. For starters, over 60% of your body's magnesium is stored in your bones, contributing directly to their physical structure and strength. Even more importantly, magnesium is essential for activating vitamin D. Your body cannot convert vitamin D from sunlight or supplements into its active form without sufficient magnesium, meaning a deficiency can indirectly cause calcium malabsorption, no matter how much vitamin D you get. This mineral also helps regulate calcium transport, ensuring it gets integrated into your bones properly. Unfortunately, many people have suboptimal magnesium levels due to soil depletion and processed food diets. A 2021 study in the journal Bone demonstrated a significant positive association between dietary magnesium intake and bone mineral density in adults. To boost your levels, focus on magnesium-rich foods like almonds, spinach, dark chocolate, and avocados. Your entire skeletal framework depends on this crucial mineral. Silent habit number 7. When you think of vitamin C, you probably think of your immune system, but it is an absolute powerhouse for building and maintaining strong bones. Its primary role in skeletal health is its necessity for the synthesis of collagen. As we just discussed, collagen forms the protein framework of bone, and without adequate vitamin C, your body simply cannot produce it effectively, leading to impaired bone formation and a weaker structure. Furthermore, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect bone cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress, which are known to contribute to bone degradation. It stimulates the production of osteoblasts, the very cells responsible for creating new bone tissue. A compelling 2018 study published in the British Journal of Nutrition followed thousands of men and women and found that those with the highest vitamin C intake had a significantly lower risk of hip fracture and osteoporosis. So, ensure your diet is rich in vitamin C from sources like citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli to support collagen production and protect your precious bone cells. Silent habit number 8. What you don't eat can be just as important as what you do eat for your bones. Diets high in refined carbohydrates like bread, sugary cereals, and pastries can be detrimental to your skeletal health. These foods cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin, which can lead to chronic inflammation throughout the body. This systemic inflammation can trigger an increase in osteoclasts, the cells that break down bone tissue. Moreover, high sugar intake can deplete your body of bone-building minerals like calcium and magnesium. A 2019 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked diets with a high glycemic index, characteristic of refined carbs, to lower bone mineral density and an increased fracture risk in older adults. Silent habit number 9. Certain lifestyle habits are directly toxic to your skeletal system, with smoking and alcohol consumption leading the charge. Smoke wreaks havoc on your bones in multiple ways. It reduces blood supply to the skeleton, slows the production of bone-forming osteoblasts, and impairs the body's ability to absorb calcium. Similarly, drinks interfere with the balance of calcium and the production of vitamin D, both essential for bone health. The research here is unequivocal. A comprehensive 2021 review in Osteoporosis International confirmed that both bad habits are major independent risk factors for developing osteoporosis and suffering fragility fractures, effectively accelerating the bone aging process. Silent habit number 10. Maintaining a healthy weight is a delicate balancing act for optimal bone density. Both being underweight and being overweight pose significant risks to your skeletal system. Being underweight often means you have less mechanical load on your bones, providing less stimulus for them to grow stronger. And in women, it can lead to lower estrogen levels, a hormone critical for bone protection. Conversely, while it was once thought that extra weight was protective for bones, recent research shows that obesity can increase chronic inflammation, which promotes bone breakdown. A pivotal 2022 study in The Lancet highlighted this U-shaped relationship, showing that fracture risk increases at both very low and very high body mass indexes. In conclusion, striving for a stable and healthy weight is a non-negotiable strategy for lifelong bone integrity. This optimal balance directly protects your skeleton from the dual threats of insufficient mechanical load and chronic inflammation. Ultimately, managing your daily habits provides the ideal biomechanical and metabolic environment where your strong bones can truly thrive. Watch this video suggestion. It was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.